Hello, so welcome back kwa MWIZI. Tunaendelea from the last point we stopped. So I believe this was the last point, tulikuwa tushamaliza hii ya landscape. So for the next one tunataka kutengeneza the portrait one. So since already tushatengeneza hii, tuko na all the elements, the colors, the text, the icons, the silhouettes, the drawings, tutaendelea tu from here. So the first thing tutafanya, just like the other one, so if you have not seen this video, check on the link, utaona hapo kwa bio, utaona the link to this video. So what we'll do, create background same as the first time. So utatumia rectangle, create background kwa hii portrait hivyo, then I drop, tuchukue the same color. So for this one, as I had said, tutatumia street light. So a straight light, a typical street light. So utadrag hii hapo. So tutatumia street light. So I want to make it to the right. So I'll pick, arrange, transform, reflect, vertical. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll create his street light in the abstract form, but I only need it from this part. I don't really need the whole part. I just need the light part. So I'm going to draw it. So something like that. Hiyo ndo nitatumia, hii pekee ndo nataka kutumia. So this is the whole stand, the bulb is here. So the next thing nitafanya, nita create your light tena. This light, like the one for the torch. So maybe just zoom out, zoom in again. Then tumie pen tool, chora kutoka hapa hadi hapa. Zoom out kidogo. Hivyo. So the light itaenda mahali kama hapo hivyo, iende hapo, nikuje hapo hivyo. So that is our light. Then I drop, copy that light. So maybe for this nitaipatia space kidogo tu, click that and that, drag it a little bit. That's okay. The next thing, tutatengeneza these light beams. For the last one tulikuwa tumesema ndio ikae more realistic, isikae just flat. So again, to create hizo, tumia line tool ama pen tool, whichever works for you. Then drag it down. Then I drop the other one. So it's basically a stroke with 2 points. Then another one. Hivyo. Hivyo. So this one works. After hapo nitachukua hii text ilikuwa operation mulika mwizi, the same text. So maybe just drag this one up here, right click, ungroup, then take the text, then drag it here. So for this hii text kwanza nitazileta juu, so I'll click the both of them, arrange, bring to front. Hii operation nitaifanya ikuwe this color blue for the darkness. Then hii mulika, so what I'll do for this, nita duplicate. So kitu ya kwanza nitapandisha juu kidogo kwanza, something like that. So long as this operation inaonekana, operation tu ikionekana iko sawa, then songeshe we can adjust this kidogo tu. So I'll take this point and this point, move it like that, then zoom out. Select all of this, remove that, move it in. There you go. So what I'll do, I'll click this, then come to edit, copy. You'll copy this text, then come here, then paste in front. Paste in front ina make sure the text inakuja exactly juu ya hiyo text yenye ule copy. So uta paste in front, so it's already there, they are ready to. So even when you move, unaona bado kuna ingine but at the exact point, so you'll move it to the back. So for this, hii text moja nita I drop nipate this color yellow hivyo, so it's the same color with this one. So after that, I'll take this yellow, the text with yellow, the light and the background, then arrange and move it to the back so that I can bring here blue to the front. Alternatively, you can use layers, but personally I'm comfortable without using layers. So the next thing you'll do, you'll take the same light, edit, copy, edit, paste in front, right click, then arrange, then bring it to front. After that, so what we want to do is we want to separate the MULIKA MWIZI text having yellow and blue color. So we'll take this light and this text, the one with the dark blue, then arrange, right click, then make clipping mask so that it can bring out this difference. See, like that. So maybe what you can do, you can scale this down a bit. Like that. Maybe stretch this light. There you go. So after that, we can bring the robber. Here he is, somewhere there. Scale him up, something like that. Yeah, that one works. Then bring the company logo. Maybe just a little adjustment, we move this down a bit. Like that. Say the company logo. We'll take this logo here. Then for this message, for the text, for this portrait one, we'll come create the path using the pen tool. somewhere here, like that. Maybe move this one to the right. Then using the same text, you can just copy the whole text, Control All, copy, then come to this shape, click inside, then paste it. So it will have the same message for both of them. After that, we'll add this contact information. So click to report the whole group, move it here. Or copy, then move it here. So you can double click to isolate that. Then maybe move this here. Then go back. So for this maybe you can scale it down and bring it down here. Or maybe for this you can just place it here. I'm looking for a suitable place to avoid making it cluttery, but I think also that works. Yeah, so for the portrait one, that is the whole project, but the only thing that bothers me is this part. I think there's a lot of white space here. So maybe what we can do is just adjust this text. So I'm going to take this, relieve the clipping mask, then take both of the texts. For this maybe you can work with the layers. So we take this, and this, both of them. Then maybe you can just move it more to the right, around there. Then you can take the triangle that was above in this text and make clipping mask. No. Maybe let's just redo it again. So just copy, edit, copy, edit, paste in front, arrange, bring it to front, take this shape on the text, right click, make clipping mask. Then for this you can rotate. I'm trying to look if it makes sense. Maybe it does, but I don't seem to like it. So maybe I'll just return it to the default position. And maybe do the same thing for this. So just do that. Edit, copy, edit, paste in front. Then for this, make it blue. Then take the yellow, Control C, Control F, then move it to front, and take the text, make clipping mask, like that. I think that is better. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe just move the rubber around there, and that will do. So for this chapter, I'm going to delete this, make a shape here, select all, then click a mask. So that is it for this chapter. That is how we made the MULIKA MWIZI campaign. Though maybe we can do with some changes, some corrections here and there, but hiyo ndio basic start yake. So maybe join me for other so maybe next we're going to find another campaign to create awareness or something, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, see you then.